Welcome back, biotechnologists. To enhance your skills, to make you stand out of the crowd while grabbing attention for jobs or internship, Biotecnika is bringing you a new add-on course in your list, Molecular Modeling. As in our previous meal, we have told you that the first thing that segregates you from others is your education qualifications, academic background, and additional medals to your name. With the successful launch of the first 2 courses in the series of add-on courses, Biotecnika is announcing the upcoming course on molecular modeling, which is an essential tool to medicinal chemists in the drug design process. The course is starting from the 18th of June 2019. Molecular modeling is a collection of computer-based techniques for deriving, representing, and manipulating the structures and reactions of molecules and those properties that are dependent on this 3-dimensional structure. Here are some of the benefits of attending the course. The course content meets the industry standards. This course can be attended online anywhere, anytime by you. This course includes all interactive sessions with an on-the-spot doubt clearance. The timings of the course are suitable as per the students and working professionals. The hard copy of certificates will be provided on course completion that adds weight to your profile. All life science graduates, postgraduates, teaching and industry professionals, along with research enthusiasts can apply. To read more about the timings, the schedule of the course, and about a career in molecular modeling and drug designing, their eligibility and salary, visit the link mentioned in the description below. Thank you for listening to us. Enroll now for the course. Limited seats. Hurry, grab one for you now.